Do you want to do an exciting job while studying? Do you love to solve others' problems by talking? You love spending a lot of time on social media. How will you feel about spending time there and also getting paid for it? If you have these questions, this video is for you. Stay with us till the end to learn an outstanding solution to these questions. I'm sure you're going to love it. Hello everyone, this is Mori from SLBPO and I welcome you all to a new video of ours. Today we will talk about an exciting career choice, a virtual assistant. We will learn what a virtual assistant is, how they work, what their duties are, and finally, what requirements one needs to start a VA job. Are you prepared to start? Let's begin. What is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant or VA is a self-employed professional who remotely provides administrative, technical or creative assistance to clients. Their duties include scheduling appointments, managing email and social media accounts, conducting research, handling customer service inquiries, and much more. A VA can typically work from home office or remotely, setting their own schedule and choosing the clients they want to work with. Virtual assistants are becoming increasingly popular among small business owners and entrepreneurs who need help managing their workloads but lack the resources to hire a full-time employee. They can help them grow their businesses and achieve their goals by using their skills and expertise. Whether you're looking for a new career or a flexible way to earn extra income, Virtual Assistant offers endless possibilities. Let's explore the opportunities together. How does a virtual assistant work? Virtual assistants have gained popularity as small businesses and startups are turning to virtual offices to cut expenses, and companies of all sizes are utilizing the internet more frequently for their daily tasks. One of the main advantages of using a virtual assistant is that they are independent contractors. So a business does not need to offer the same benefits or pay the same taxes as for a full-time employee. Additionally, since the virtual assistant works remotely, there is no need for a desk or other office spaces at a company's physical location. Virtual assistants are responsible for providing and paying for their own computer equipment, software, and internet accesses. If you want to learn more about virtual assistant jobs, you can read our blog 23 types of virtual assistant and their tasks. I will provide you the link in the description below. The duties of a virtual assistant. Let's discuss some of these responsibilities in more detail to give you a more precise idea about what a virtual assistant can do for you. Administrative duties. Managing a business can be demanding and requires time and effort. As a business owner, you have to take care of various tasks. A virtual administrative assistant can help you organize a calendar, schedule meetings, book travel, and answer calls. They work remotely and are similar to traditional secretaries. There are currently over 3.3 million secretaries and administrative assistants in the US, and it is believed that many of these jobs will be done virtually in the future. E-commerce. Hiring a virtual assistant for an e-commerce store on a platform like Spotify, Amazon, or Walmart can be beneficial. Many e-commerce businesses use virtual assistants because they are cost-effective. Virtual assistants specializing in e-commerce can help with tasks such as listing products, processing orders, inventory management, tracking orders, customer service, and more. Bookkeeping. Small businesses often need help with bookkeeping and accounting. Hiring a full-time accountant or CPA firm can be costly, but a more affordable alternative is to hire a bookkeeping virtual assistant. A qualified VA can handle daily financial transactions, create reports, manage payroll, and perform other beneficial tasks. Virtual receptionists. Business such as taxi companies, wholesalers, security guard companies, and local food delivery companies can benefit from hiring virtual assistants for customer care support. And front desk receptionist. A virtual receptionist can handle calls and queries from customers, make outbound calls, and act as a cost-effective alternative to hiring an on-site receptionist. Accompanying in research. Businesses often need to conduct a research and surveys. A virtual assistant service can provide a solution for these tasks, whether research is done on the company's profit and internal cash flow or market research through surveys. Social media management. Businesses like restaurants, online shops, and retail need strong social identities and brand awareness to succeed. But they need more budget for digital marketing. Hiring a VA specialized in social media management can be a cost-effective way to increase customer awareness and sales through digital marketing. Requirements and skills needed to be a VA. Specific requirements and skills are needed to be a virtual assistant. This includes strong communication skills, excellent technical skills, especially with word processing software and spreadsheets, tech-savvy, eager and quick to learn new technologies, strong time management skills to ensure tasks are completed on time, highly organized and able to multitask and work well with fast-paced directions and instructions, a fast and reliable internet connection, strong interpersonal skills, and the ability to quickly develop working relationships, ambitious, engaging, and positive self-starter who is flexible, patient, and open-minded with a great attitude. A high school diploma or equivalent is needed. Excellent phone, email, and instant messaging communication skills. After the whole discussion, you now have a whole idea of a virtual assistant job. In conclusion, a virtual assistant is a valuable asset for any businesses or individual looking to streamline their workload and increase productivity. With a wide range of skills and the ability to work remotely, a virtual assistant can handle various tasks from administrative tasks to customer service and more. If you require a reliable, efficient and skilled virtual assistant, consider hiring one today to take your business to the next level. You can even take advantage of the virtual assistant services of scalability that comes with a 7-day free trial. You can assign the task you expect our assistant to complete and wait for the result. Only hire them if they meet your expectations. That's it for today. I will see you soon in the next video. Remember to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Bye-bye everyone.